iPhone 5S charge port and headphone jack replacement guide. Fix your broken iPhone 5 with parts and service from directfix.com. Use coupon code YT7 and save 7% off your next order at directfix.com. Please read this warning thoroughly before attempting to repair your device. The recommended tools for this repair: a pentalobe screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a suction cup, and case opener tools can be purchased separately or in the IP2500 toolkit. After powering off your device, remove the SIM card using a SIM card removal tool. Using a pentalobe screwdriver, remove 2 pentalobe screws from the bottom of your phone. Using a suction cup, begin to lift the screen. Continue lifting the screen and be very careful not to damage the home button ribbon underneath. Disconnect the home button ribbon. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws shown in the red circles, allowing you to remove the screen assembly. Remove the 2 screws shown in the red circles, exposing the charge port and battery connectors. Carefully disconnect the battery and remove from the phone. Disconnect the rear-facing camera from the motherboard. And disconnect the volume and power button ribbon cable from the motherboard. Remove 2 screws, allowing you to remove a small shield covering the secondary microphone. Disconnect the charge port from the motherboard. Disconnect the cell antenna from the motherboard. Remove the 2 double-threaded screws shown in the red circle. And remove these 2 double-threaded screws shown in the red circles. And finally, remove these 2 regular Phillips screws. There is one more screw at the very top of the motherboard. You may now carefully lift up the motherboard out of the frame. Disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna from the underside of the motherboard. Remove the 3 screws shown in the red circles. You can now remove the speaker module. Now remove the 4 screws shown in the red circles. You can now lift up and remove the charge port. You can now place your replacement charge port and headphone jack into the frame. And place the speaker module on top of the charge port. Secure the charge port with 4 screws shown in the red circle. Secure the speaker module with 3 screws shown in the red circles. Now connect the Wi-Fi antenna to the bottom of the motherboard. Begin securing the motherboard with 2 double-threaded screws shown in the red circles. Place 2 small Phillips screws shown in the red circles. Now place 2 more double-threaded screws shown in the red circles. You can now connect the charge port to the motherboard as well as the cellular antenna cable. Connect the volume and power button ribbon cable to the motherboard. Place the rear-facing camera into the frame and connect that to the motherboard. Place a small shield over the secondary microphone and secure with 2 screws. You can now connect the screen assembly to the motherboard. Four Phillips screws shown in the red circles secure a shield covering the connectors for the screen assembly. Now connect the home button ribbon. You can now press down and secure the screen into the frame. And now finally place 2 small pentalobe screws into the bottom of the phone and insert your SIM card. Like, comment, and subscribe for more repair videos from DirectFix. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to directfix.com.